Hello, YouTube! Millie Plays here with another video. My last video was a gacha life video, I believe. I don't think that turned up well. I mean, it barely had a story, and the story wasn't even good. Wow, I'm criticizing myself. So today, I don't really have a plan. We're just gonna go around Animal Jam and, well, I'm just gonna do stuff. I'm gonna go do shit. Don't judge me, please. I am poor fox. Leave me alone. What to do today? Well, I don't want to bore you to death. First video, I don't want bad impression. Let's go in here. I know yesterday there was a lot of drama in here. Let's go record some. It breaks out in laughter. Pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch. I support people who ain't straight. Yes! Yes! I love this person. Yes! I'm straight as a circle. My neck, my back. This... I don't know what to make of this. Perish? No. Thank you, please. I don't want to perish. I want to live. I just realized I stopped talking. I don't know what to make of this at all. Stream Squidward knows. I told you not to bring him. Hey, it's me, William. Stay away from me, Hey, it's me, Willman. Stay away from me, Willman. La 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 la. Elmo World. Elmo. Random Elmo. Elmo was my childhood until I discovered the creepypastas. Sup, kids? Throws ketchup at Elmo. I just had to do that. I don't know what to make of this. I don't know what to make of this, guys. I don't know what to make of this. Scared. Yes, this is a game. No shout. Angry mosquito noise. What would that even sound like? An angry mosquito? I thought they all stayed the same. All sounds sound the same. My life is a lie. The amount of locals in this game. Yes. I don't think I could count the exact amount of locals. It's like counting stars. Random my random amounts of silence is just me not trying to comprehend what is happening. Well, I did just throw oh god, this is 7 minutes in. I just checked my recording thing. I think I'm gonna have to cut some bits. Nah, I won't do that. Well, I just wasted going on 8 minutes of your time. Wow. I talk a lot, don't I? I didn't do much today. I kind of want to keep the video going. This might be a very long video, guys. I'm sorry. You're going to have to skip over the, um, you know what? I will cut out those parts. Well, I don't want to waste your time anymore. Goodbye.